was thinking I had eggs that are in my garden.
It's something I want to cover. Let's go to, so we're talking about crop rotation, right? So what's necessary for your household? And that's what I'm want to get down to this year. What's necessary? But things that I call necessary are things that you're going to grow every season without question. Without question, you're going to grow. That's what I think a necessary crop is.
Yeah.
So what
I
do you,
actually today at church, we visited this church and they had a whole lot of food left over from food that they were giving away over the weekend. And so I went in and picked up some stuff. And one of the things that I made sure to pick up was the potatoes because I was like, a lot of them were of the smaller size. And I was like, let me put as many of them in this bag as I can because I'm just going to put them in a box and let those be seed potatoes for this coming season.
and so necessary. So what's necessary in your garden? Cynthia, what's necessary for you in your garden?
But so some of my staples that will always be in my garden.
And like I said, for Cynthia, stuff that you gonna eat. What's necessary for you?
My garden is always necessary. Oh, tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, because I do can. I love canning. So I do can my Romas, a good slicer tomato. I do freeze my green beans. I freeze my corn. Let's see, cucumbers. I do want to do some pickles this year. I haven't done pickles in a few years. So I will be doing some pickling cucumbers and of course my salad cucumbers. I haven't gone through my list yet. But definitely some basil, some more parsley, some herbs, because I do need to hydrate or dehydrate or whatever I'm going to do with my herbs this year. I grew some parsley and I put it fresh in my egg salad this week, and it was so good. I mean, it was
with your fresh eggs. With your fresh eggs.
With my fresh eggs. That's right. And so I was thinking I had eggs that are in my garden. It was the parsley out of my garden. Now I need to grow some onions so that I can say that's out of my garden as well. So it was just, I love the trajectory I'm on. I'm eating mostly everything that goes on my plate is out of my garden.
That's awesome.
Or my homestead. It'll be my chicken out of there. Or my brother's going to be raising my pig this year. So
you getting pigs this year?
I'm getting a pig this year. So I'm on my trajectory that if I don't have to go to the grocery store and buy any meat and everything's stuff that I know how it was grown, I think it'll make a healthier me at the end of the day.